Thank you! Thank you!
Nice fucking clutch.
And this man's like, nah, I want to find it now. Like, what the fuck?
I can't hold my ultimate any longer.
Why you waste it when we could have used it for all that?
Damn.
Yeah, fucking whoa!
Yo, the bird's gonna get you.
Thanks for letting me know in advance that the bird was coming with my tax.
I can't. I fucking can't revive you guys. I can't. I fucking can't. I'm dying. And this is fucking funny as fuck. I know you're letting know the bird's coming with my tax.
Somebody help him.